Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In this video I show you how I turn an old thrifted button-down into an iPad sleeve. You will need an old button-down, some padding material, a zipper, some fabric scissors and your iPad. First, I doubled the padding material and measured a part double the size of my iPad plus 2 centimeters on each side as well as 3 centimeters above and under the iPad. Then I cut the padding material to size. If you wonder why my iPad is wrapped in bubble wrap, it's because I want to buy a case. So I wanted to make this outer sleeve big enough for my iPad with the case on. Now I use the padding material cut to size to measure the fabric from the button down and to cut it to size as well. Now pin down one of the sides, having the side you want on the outside later on the inside, and close them with a seam. Do the same with your button-down fabric for your outer layer. Now you put your inside into the outside sleeve, both facing the clean side you want on the outside later inside, so that now you are seeing the side where all the seams are. Then pin them together on the top and start sewing. Now use the open side to turn the whole thing upside down so that your seams are all on the inside and hidden. Now you have to zhoosh everything a bit around to make it more even. The next step is to measure out your zipper on the back and to pin it down. On the corner you have to be a little bit careful to pin down the zipper really clean so that it will run smooth in the end. Now repeat this step on the other side of the zipper as well. For this final sewing process, open up the zipper to attach the zipper with 2 clean seams to the sleeve. Now your iPad sleeve is finished and you and your iPad are ready to go with your new protective sleeve. Thanks so much for watching. Please like if you enjoyed the video and leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. For more thrift flips, DIYs and other creative things, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below to join me on my creative journey.